Before mitosis, a form of cell division where the parent cell's nucleus duplicates and produces somatic cells which are non-sex cells, the cell begins interphase. Interphase takes place after the G2 phase where much of the duplicating occurs. Next, in the S phase, the chromatin is lightly condensed to form chromosomes. Then the chromosome is duplicated. Each chromatid is duplicated and they become sister chromatids. The duplicate strands are held together by...
First meiotic phase is prophase, with meiotic spindle forms and the nuclear membrane breaks down. During all the cell cycle except for mitosis, chromosomes are loose but they are compacted during prophase. As the nuclear membrane breaks down, the spindle begins to form. The spindle fiber reaches and attaches to the centrioles, which are held in the centrosome. The spindle attaches to the kinetochore, the protein on the centrosome that the spindle is in.
The second meiotic phase is metaphase, where the spindle fibers pull the chromatids to line up at the center of the cell. In this phase, the spindle fibers pull the chromosomes to the metaphase plate, and the area of the middle of the cell and the chromosomes align with. Here, the chromosomes are in the most condensed state. The cell now goes through its first checkpoint.
The third meiotic phase is anaphase, the process in which the spindle fibers pull each chromatid and the sister chromatids to the opposite poles of the cell. At the end of anaphase, each pole has the same chromatids as the other.
The fourth and last meiotic phase, telophase, where after the complete set of chromosomes is at the end of each cell, two nuclear membranes form around each set, and the cell begins to pinch into two. The chromosomes begin to unfold and fade from view, ending mitosis.
After telophase is cytokinesis, the process when the cytoplasm is divided into two equal parts forming two daughter cells. When cytokinesis is finished, the two new daughter cells, each with an identical nucleus containing identical genetic material, and the cell enters the G1 phase where it spends most of its...
Plant cells have a cell plate, which is a plate that forms between two groups of chromosomes in cytokinesis because plants have cell walls. Animal cells contain cleavage furrow, a groove on the cell membrane as the cell is dividing, and an aster, which is formed around each centrosome during mitosis in an animal cell.